Apple fans wondered if the prices of iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max would shoot past the ceiling due to increasing RAM costs, but GF Securities analyst Jeff Hu reports that wouldn't be the case. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Jeff Hu stated in a note to Mac Rumors that Apple won't increase prices and will keep it near to iPhone 17 Pro lineup, which currently starts at $1,099 for the Pro and $1,199 for the Pro Max. Since RAM prices are going up thanks to AI data centers, it's created pressure across the smartphone industry as well. Hu says Apple's keeping the prices steady by cutting costs and negotiating with key suppliers like Samsung and SK Hynix, which manufacture memory chips used in iPhones. Apple's also looking for other display panels and camera modules for this. Current surge in memory pricing has affected laptops, smartphones, and other personal computing devices, leaving fans wondering how much 2026 flagships will increase in retail pricing. Apple always kept premium margins on its Pro models, but it may pull it down a little bit to protect volume and maintain its competitive position. Ming-Chi Kuo previously said that Apple could absorb higher component costs rather than pass them directly to consumers, only if less pricing can bring more sales. Kuo claims Apple will surely keep the margin low as continued growth in subscription services such as iCloud, Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, and Apple Arcade generate recurring revenue even after initial device purchase. If Apple maintains starting prices at $1,099 and $1,199 for the iPhone 18 Pro lineup, it could give it an edge when component inflation has already affected other segments of the consumer electronics market. Although Apple hasn't confirmed anything on the pricing or specifications for the iPhone 18 Pro range, and final retail details will be out near its traditional autumn launch. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.